You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A famous Italian expression, meaning the beautiful life that you live in Italy and elsewhere. So let's get through the Italian pronunciation. Bella, bella, because you have a double L, you want to make it twice as long. Bella, not just bella. Bella vita. Bella vita is how it's said in Italian, bella vita, or in English, bella vita, or bella vita. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.